You can still transform your body with exercises you can do right on your mattress, which provides a little extra dose of resistance. Well, it sounds like a pretty good deal. But make sure that your mattress is not overly soft. We are going to share few abs exercises that can give you a flat belly from the comfort of your own bed. If you're really serious about slimming down your tummy and getting rid of those extra pounds you've gained, you might want to do this few-minute workout. Just as there are certain foods that can give excellent results in reducing the extra fat, there are some workout and exercises that can help you lose weight, reduce belly fat and tone your legs fast. Here's a quick set of simple workouts that will take you as little time as minutes. The first exercise is seated knee tucks. This seated knee tuck is an essential part of any core workout routine. If you want to build six-pack abs or simply increase your core strength, seated knee tucks are for you. In this case, seated knee tucks primarily emphasize the bottom part of the rectus abdominis, also known as your lower abs. Seated knee tucks directly target your abdominal muscles. As a result, consistent training will help you build a stronger core. To do this exercise, sit on the ground with your legs extended out in front of you. Place your hands on the ground beside you for support and lean back at a roughly 45-degree angle with your back straight. Contract your lower abs as you bend your knees and bring your legs towards your chest. Squeeze your abs hard and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this motion for your desired number of repetitions. Second exercise is the full body crunch. This is a great ab exercise because it works the entire set of core muscles. Therefore, you do not need to do a lot of them to start feeling the effects. Due to the full body crunch's effectiveness, expect grunts and groans from yourself. That's how you know it is working. NDSB, with your back on the bed, extend your arms behind your head with your feet extended in the opposite direction as well. Simultaneously raise your arms and feet 5 inches off the bed. While exhaling, drive your knees to your chest, then bring your elbows to your sides. For extra stress, you can attempt to touch your knees with your forehead to complete the position. NDSB, slowly exhale and return to the starting position. Third exercise is leg lifts. Turns out, leg lifts are some of the best workouts to tone your belly and legs. Leg lifts are great for your lower abs because they engage the hip flexors, and the hip flexors engage the lower belly. Just lie flat on your back with your hands down near the hips. Raise your shoulder and feet of the floor, elevate your legs while keeping the rest of your body steady. Hold it for a few seconds and slowly lower your legs down on the floor. Try to repeat it 10 times. The fourth exercise is Russian twists. The seated Russian twist is a great core exercise that involves a twisting motion. It engages all the abdominal muscles, the rectus abdominis, internal obliques, and the external obliques. The Russian twist targets all the muscles in your core, making it a great abs exercise when you're tight on time. Sit on the floor and bring your legs out straight. Lean back slightly so your torso and legs form a V-like shape, bracing your abdominal wall to engage your core. Balancing here, twist your torso from side to side without moving your legs. Fifth exercise is bicycle crunches. The bicycle crunch is an effective ab exercise, reaching not only the usual abs but also the deep abs and the obliques. If you want to work your core, this air bicycle maneuver is a great choice. It's a no-equipment, beginner's-level exercise you can do anywhere. Use it as part of your core strengthening workout or add it to a full-body workout. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Do not clasp your hands together. Engage your abs, lifting your shoulders and upper back off of the ground. At the same time, move your right elbow toward your left knee so that they meet in the middle of your body. Next, switch your position by bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Continue as quickly as possible while still keeping your torso raised up off the ground. The above exercises are an efficient way of strengthening your abs. They will also assist you to lose weight by torching that belly fat. However, what you put in your mouth is what matters the most when it comes to seeing the number on the scale drop. Try these exercises in bed to tone and tighten your buttocks, abs, and shoulders.